channel. I am modelarieamore, and today I am here with a quick tutorial on how to achieve this beautiful spring cut crease look. Today we are using the colors green, yellow, and orange, guys, and I'm going to show you how to combine these three colors and make an amazing, beautiful look that is quick, simple, and easy. You ready? Let's go. Okay guys, so you guys can already pretty much see that I already have one eye done, y'all, and it's looking good, and I'm going to show you what to do. So I am going to be using my Morphe X palette. This is what it looks like. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the colors that we are going to be using today is this dark green right here. We're also going to be using yellow and this orange shade right here, guys. And it is going to pop and get you ready for springtime. So the very first thing we want to do is go into that green shade. And we want to go ahead and shade into the crease of our eyelid. So lift your eyebrow up and you want to dig. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. So I like to kind of point where I'm going and push in to that eyelid to create that crease. And we're going to just go in there and start shading in that dark green. And take your time, guys. I am using a really small brush. I find using small brushes almost for all of my looks really helps me a lot. And what I'm doing is just doing circular motions into that crease and just kind of bringing it over and shaping my eye. So this is just one shade of green. What I want to do is go back into that green one last time, guys. And this is a quick look. You can achieve this look very fast. Just once you know what you're doing, it is so easy to kind of like do this process a lot quicker. I'm noticing that I'm doing my makeup a lot faster. So we're going to go into that same crease with that green and do that same circular motion and blend out that green, guys, just like that. Super easy, super fun. This color is popping. Thanks to my supporters on my Twitter for participating in these colors. I made a post the other day and I just made a quick request for guys to just drop some colors down below that they want to see me try. And this is the color I thought was going to be amazing because I haven't tried these this color combo yet, and I'm so happy that I did. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that green down, and I need to find my brush. Okay, I think I found it. So let me kind of brush this off really fast. This brush here is what I'm going to be using to blend out that yellow. So we're going to go ahead into that bright yellow from the Morphe palette, guys. And we're going to go ahead and blend out that green at the very top. Take your time. This yellow is not super strong, which I love it because it just creates a nice blend. And I am just taking my time, going over that green with this yellow and creating a nice blend. You don't want to push down too hard. You want to blend out whatever is harsh without taking away that color. So we're just going to focus on the edge of that green with this yellow and take our brush around. I'm still lifting up my brow because I do not want to bring that color up there into that brow. We want to keep that brow nice, safe, and clean. And I am liking how this is looking. So what I did notice about this yellow from the Morphe palette is it doesn't show up on my skin too defined, which is, for me, it's okay because I want this color combination to be very light. As you can see from this other eye, you can see the yellow, but it's not too dramatic, guys, because I feel like the green and the orange are the two colors that I want to pop. That yellow is just what's going to let everything kind of simmer down and kind of come together. So we already have that blended, guys, and you see how fast this goes. Hold on, let me just go over it right here just a little bit. And as you can see, my face is already done. Y'all, check this out. We are getting smooth. I'm getting so good at this, like, I don't know what to tell you. But okay, so next we need to get into the cut crease. And if you are not familiar how to do a cut crease, don't worry because I'm still learning and I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my cut crease. Okay, so when you do a cut crease, you want to use whatever products you feel like works for you. What works for me is using the concealer in the shade 16. This is from Juvia's Place. I really like this because it has the stick. I'm not going to use the stick though, but I'm going to show you guys what I do to apply this. Let's get into it. So I'm going to use me a flat brush and dab that into the concealer. Guys, I have my concealer laid out on this little palette here, so you can't see it, but I'm gonna show you what to do if you don't know what to do, because you know what I'm saying, we're learning, you know what I'm saying. Okay. Anyway, I'm doing weird, but what I like to do is tap my eyelid. I like to do a couple taps here and then look up, and as you can see, it kind of makes a place for you. So the best thing to do is go ahead and shut that eye, start into that tear duct area, and you want to just lightly start to make your way over to that line that you created. And it's okay to take your time. I gotta kind of like be really quiet a little bit, because y'all, if I mess it up, it's a wrap. But you guys can see how that is starting to form. Some people like to kind of use like a Q-tip or something to kind of clean up some colors underneath. I don't do that. I don't do it. And I'm just going to follow that line over to this side. Okay, let me quit talking. My eyelid is shaking. She's shaking the table. Okay. And we're going to stop here. And what we're going to do is pat in that concealer, make it all nice and smooth. We're not going to take it all the way over, and we're not going to touch the line that we just created. So we're just going to smooth everything out. And guys, this is just a fun, quick way of doing it. Now, the more comfortable you get, you can get into those dramatic cut creases where it comes all the way over and goes down. This is just more for beginners if you want to just kind of starting to get into different looks. This is going to be perfect for you. So go ahead and pat everything out. And then we're going to go back into this Morphe palette. Now we're going to jump into this orange, okay? So I want to get my flat brush. I had another one I just used. Oh, here it is. So this is another flat brush here. I really love this for a cut crease because it just works out perfectly. And I love the points. And then you don't really want to blend when you do a cut crease. So you want to use this brush to kind of pack everything on. I hate when I look at my camera because I don't really be knowing what part of the camera to look at. But anyway, so we're going to go into this orange. We're going to pack a lot of that color onto this brush just like that. And what I like to do is start at the tip of my eyelid. And guys, pat the color. Do not rub. Pat that color in and start to build that color up, okay? Put your color on both sides of your brushes. That way you don't have to keep going into the palette. Y'all see that orange? Y'all, sir. So I'm going to add some more. You're really going to have to kind of dig into your palette, especially if you want that orange to pop. And we're just going to keep packing that on. Pack. Pack that color on, y'all. This orange is beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to show my supporters these colors. And they had some amazing color combinations on there. So I cannot wait to show you guys some other colors that I decide to use. Go into that corner. Remember, we are still packing it on. We are not rubbing at all. Do not rub, okay? So let's keep doing this. I'm really loving this orange. Like, I am loving this orange. Okay, so let me, for the sake of time, finish packing on this orange, and then I'm going to come back with you guys and show you what the next step is. Okay, we are back. So let's go back into that brush that we blended with that yellow, and dab back into that yellow, and we are going to start to kind of blend some of that over into this corner. Now we want to just blend that green and that yellow over into this orange to kind of make everything blend together. Go back over that green a little bit, make everything blend. Remember, be very gentle. You do not want these colors to merge together too much. You just want them to be friends. You know, like real friends, okay? Not fake friends. We don't do fake friends, because real friends come together perfectly. Fake friends are divided and they compete. We're not competing. Okay, so that is that. So let's go in and get us a smaller brush just like this here. I am going to go into that orange. You guys can already pretty much see over here what's next. And we're going to go under that tear duct. No, is that the tear duct? Under eye? It's the under eye. Let's go to the under eye and get that orange up under here. I really do not like doing my eyes before I do my full face. But for the sake of the video and for the sake of time, I have to do like my face and then half my eye and then come in. It's just too much. I don't like this step. I love to do my eyes before because I don't like to fall out. But let's get in and just finish it. You know what we make it do what it do. Get that orange, get that red, get that head, and piece it out. So I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna brush it off and then go into that green. And I'm gonna merge some of that green over like this. And blend it into that orange. Blend it here. And I'm just gonna tap a little bit around here where that green is kind of fading a little bit. Boom, baby. So all we gotta do is put our lashes on. I'll be back. And guys, that is today's look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If for any reason you do decide to try out this beautiful spring cut crease look, please come back to this video and let me know in the comments what you think. You can also go and follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. I have 2 Instagram accounts where I post my makeup content. One of my Instagrams is Glam with Ari. On that account, I only post my makeup and stuff. On Ari_Amore02, that Instagram, I post makeup, modeling, and my travel stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, please check it out. Also, if you want to check out my main channel, Late Nights with Ari, that will also be down in the description box below. Check that channel out and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.